Listen, most guys underestimate just how much they can change in a short amount of time. They look at themselves in the mirror and think, I need years to glow up. But the truth is, 30 days is more than enough to look like a completely different man if you stay consistent. 1 month of discipline can undo years of neglect. If you follow even half of what I'm about to tell you, I'm 100% sure you will transform yourself. You'll look 10x better, 10x cleaner, 10x more confident, and 10x more respected. People will double take when they see you, wondering what changed. And the best part? You won't even have to explain. Your transformation will speak for itself. So let's break down the exact steps that will completely transform your looks, your vibe, and your confidence in just 30 days. Step 1. Fix your skin. Your skin is the foundation of your appearance. If your skin looks bad, nothing else matters. Not your clothes, not your hairstyle, not even your body. Clear, glowing skin makes you instantly attractive. So here's what you do. Wash your face every morning and every night with a gentle face wash. Don't just splash water and call it a day. Actually clean your face properly. After that, moisturize. Hydrated skin looks healthier and younger. And never skip sunscreen during the day. UV rays are what cause pimples, wrinkles, and dark spots. 30 days of this routine and your face will look fresher, smoother, and cleaner than ever before. Step 2. Upgrade your hair. A bad haircut can ruin your whole glow, while a good one can completely transform your face. Find a hairstyle that matches your face shape. If your barber doesn't know, do your research online. There are endless examples for round faces, square faces, long faces, and more. Keep your hair trimmed, wash it regularly, and don't overuse gel or heavy products. If you have facial hair, keep it neat. Trim your beard or mustache, or if you go clean shaven, make sure your shave is smooth. In 30 days, this small upgrade alone will make you look sharper and more put together. Step 3. Whiten your smile. Think about it. Your smile is one of the first things people notice. Yellow teeth can destroy your attractiveness instantly. Start brushing twice a day, flossing once, and use a whitening toothpaste or strips. Avoid too much coffee, soda, or smoking. These stain your teeth badly. Within a month, your smile will look cleaner and brighter. Combine this with fresh breath, and suddenly, you'll have the kind of smile that draws people in instead of pushing them away. Step 4. Build a daily hygiene routine. Glow-ups aren't just about looks. They're about how you carry yourself. And hygiene is non-negotiable. Shower every single day. Wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week so it doesn't get greasy. Trim your nails. Dirty, long nails are one of the biggest turnoffs. Use deodorant or antiperspirant every morning. And here's the secret weapon. Find one good cologne and make it your signature scent. When people associate you with always smelling fresh, your value shoots up instantly. In 30 days, this will become your normal routine, and you'll never go back to being the messy guy. Step 5. Clean up your body. You don't need a gym membership to glow up your body in 30 days. Start simple. Push-ups, squats, planks, burpees. Do them every single day for 20 minutes. If you're consistent, your muscles will tighten, your chest will look broader, and your posture will improve. And posture is everything. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. It instantly makes you look more confident and attractive. By the end of 1 month, your body will feel stronger, your clothes will fit better, and people will notice the difference even if you didn't tell them. Step 6. Fix your diet. Here's the truth. What you eat shows on your face and body. If you keep eating junk food, your skin will break out, your body will feel sluggish, and you'll look older. For 30 days, cut out fast food, fried snacks, and sugary drinks. Replace them with water, lean protein like chicken or eggs, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Eat clean and watch how your face slims down, your jawline sharpens, and your skin clears up. By the end of this month, you'll look like a cleaner, fresher version of yourself. Step 7. Style your wardrobe. Clothing is one of the fastest ways to transform your look. Throw out baggy old or faded clothes. Wear fitted t-shirts that complement your body, clean jeans, and fresh sneakers. Iron your shirts, wash your clothes properly, and keep them smelling good. It's not about expensive brands. It's about looking clean and sharp. In 30 days, even with just a few good outfits, people will see you as someone who takes care of himself. Step 8. Sleep like a king. Lack of sleep makes you look drained, weak, and older. But when you sleep well, your face looks fresher, your skin heals faster, and your eyes look more awake. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Stay off your phone at night and let your body rest. After 1 month, you'll wake up looking refreshed instead of tired. Your under-eye bags will fade, and your overall glow will improve without any extra effort. Step 9. Learn a new skill. A real glow-up isn't just physical, it's mental. Dedicate 1 hour every day to learning something new. Whether it's coding, video editing, public speaking, or even a new language, the skill itself doesn't matter. What matters is that you're building value. People respect men who are constantly improving. In 30 days, you'll have a new skill that sets you apart, and that adds to your confidence and aura. Step 10. Work on your confidence. Confidence is the secret ingredient behind every glow-up. You can have perfect skin, a good body, and nice clothes, but if you don't believe in yourself, it shows. Start practicing small habits. Walk slower, stand tall, make eye contact, and speak clearly. Don't rush your words. Listen more than you talk. In 1 month, your energy will shift. People won't just notice how you look. They'll notice how you carry yourself. Step 11, money and mindset. Part of glowing up is also becoming more independent. Start saving money or building a small income stream. Even if it's small, it gives you pride and control over your life. A man who has direction looks more attractive than one who doesn't. In 30 days, start with small goals. Save a little, learn about investments, or begin a side hustle. This will boost your self-worth and make you stand out. Step 12. Stay consistent. This is the most important step. All of this means nothing if you quit after 3 days. You need to commit to 30 days straight. When you wake up tired, do it anyway. When you don't feel like cooking clean food, do it anyway. Consistency is the difference between I tried and I transformed. If you stick to this for 1 month, you won't just look different. You'll feel different. You'll feel more confident, more respected, more powerful. People will treat you differently because you've proven to yourself that you can change. In just 30 days, you can completely glow up your life. The only question is, are you willing to start today? If yes, then type yes in the comments. See you in the next video. Take care.